Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by parking level and securing the car, handbrake on, wheel chock set. Next, check the tire placard for the target PSI, write it down so you won't guess. Inspect the compressor, confirm power compatibility, hose integrity, and oil if required. Once done, locate the valve caps and remove them. Make sure the compressor fits the valve stem. Plug in or connect the battery leads correctly, and set any regulator to a low starting pressure. This prevents overinflate. You attach the hose firmly to the valve stem, listen for hissing, then adjust until sealed. If your unit has a preset gauge, set the target PSI, otherwise monitor the gauge as you go. Start the compressor, inflating in controlled bursts of 10 to 15 seconds to avoid overshooting the target and to prevent heat buildup. After each burst, stop and read the pressure. Make incremental increases until you reach the specified PSI. While inflating, feel the hose and compressor for abnormal heat or vibration. You finish by turning off the compressor, detaching the hose straight out to avoid valve damage, and screwing the valve cap back on. Allow the unit to cool before storing. Once done, drive a short distance and recheck pressures. This equalizes the tire so you can fine-tune. If pressure won't hold, check the valve core for leaks, swap hoses, or inspect the tire for puncture. Use soapy water to spot bubbles. If a leak persists, replace the valve core or seek a tire repair station.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.